Just pieces of garbage. All right, our 15 sold with 120,000 miles on it and a bad motor. They got money. Oh no, they don't. Take a look at this 2015 Kia Soul. 120,000 miles on it. Got a little dinger here. Tires are smoked. Doesn't appear to have any hail. It's just got this one ding here. Body looks straight. It's got some aftermarket tint on it. Leather. It does have a moon, the big moon. This is the right car as far as, I mean, besides the fact that it's a Kia Soul. But it's the right car as far as equipment goes. Rest of the body looks relatively straight. Now, I'm not, got some PDRs back here, a couple little door dingers in there. Nothing terrible. But you know what we got to do before we go any further. We got to start this thing up, because the likelihood of it being bad. We got to check engine light. I can already hear it. Let me turn this down. Right about there it is. You can hear that bottom end in there just pieces of garbage. Well, I'm not even gonna scan it. I don't care if the moon works or not. We're gonna put it down, we're gonna watch it, and we're gonna see who buys themselves a bad motor. All right, our 15 Soul with 120,000 miles on it and a bad motor. Carbley's appraisal assistant coming in at $9,800. Carfax showing $10,000 and live local market of $8,600. If we were looking to buy this one, I would put this unit down at $99.95, and if it didn't need a ton of recon, we would be somewhere in the vicinity of $7,500. But we're not going to do that on this one, so let's see who buys themselves a motor job. All right, let's see who didn't check out this Soul close enough. They got money. Oh no, they don't. Now they do. Oh. I figured this thing for 75 if it was good. Ooh, somebody's gonna be pissed. Alright guys, that wraps things up for today. I'll see you tomorrow.